Hello everyone and welcome back to the weekly vlog. It has been so long since I've done one of these and I've missed doing them. You guys have been requesting it. So we are back. Oh, here is my little co-star. He's bringing his truck. Carter, I smell something. What is that? I smell.
A poop.
Okay, we'll be right back. Hold on. How old are you now?
2.
You're 2. Are you now a big boy or a little boy?
A baby boy.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
A truck.
You want to be a truck? What kind of truck?
A blue truck. A big blue truck.
Now, if you notice that I'm wearing a little bit more makeup than normal, that's because I got 2 new palettes in from YouTubers that I wanted to try out. The first is Kristen Dominique. It is this berries and cream palette, and I really like these colors. It's different than what I normally wear, but I'm into it, and it's a nice Valentine's Day type of theme, a lot of rose colors. The new Casey Holmes palette, I absolutely love her. She's one of my favorite YouTubers with Physicians Formula. So I tested this out on my face, and I am obsessed. Anyway, I really like those palettes. Just wanted to mention it quickly because I like to support other YouTubers. It is a rainy day today.
It's an airplane.
What sound does the airplane make?
It says zoom, 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 zoom.
What music do you want to turn on?
Classical music. Classical music.
Monster what? Monster what? Yeah! Carter, what are you doing?
And I'm already caught, but I'm all the way in there.
Now, I do just want to say, don't be fooled by all this cuteness in the vlog. He's definitely a 2-year-old. And in fact, I'm reading a book on toddler discipline.
Mama dumped them out.
Oh, my hand. Anyway, I'm reading a book right now on toddler discipline that is phenomenal. I'm doing an entire video on it on my second channel. All right, so there's this kids channel called Blippi. Carter is obsessed, and it's basically just this guy. I'll put a clip in so you can see.
Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi. How are you doing today? I'm doing awesome.
But basically, I want Ryan to be the next Blippi, and we're gonna call him Slappy. Let's do your best Slappy. We want the people to see.
Well, hey kids, it's Slappy! What a wonderful day! Well, I'm gonna slap my way on over here with my little man!
What do you guys think? Does this need to happen? So for the past couple weeks, we have been talking with our mortgage broker and our CPA, trying to figure out if we are going to move. It's kind of a crazy story. I wanted to fill you guys in. So we moved into this house about 3 years ago, and I absolutely love this house. The only issue with it is that it's not in the part of San Diego that we want to end up in. And for that reason, we've known that it's not our forever home. So I have this mom friend, and I went over to her house for a play date with Carter like 2 or 3 months ago. And when I walked into her house, you guys, I was floored by this house. Like, it was my ultimate dream house. I could not design a better house. Everything was done to perfection. The backyard is so insane. Like, you would never have to go on vacation. That yard is like a vacation, and the view is stunning. I was just so in love with this house. I couldn't stop thinking about it, to the point that I put a very similar house on my vision board for 2019. They had just finished renovating this house. It was their forever home, so I didn't really think anything of it. And then a couple weeks ago, she tells me that they are moving. They bought a new lot of land and they are building a new house from scratch. And then, because she's a real estate agent, she told me that I could buy the house from her off market and we could work out a deal. And I was like, oh my God, this is crazy. Like, it has to be a sign. I put this house on my vision board. I've been talking about this house. I never in a million years thought I could have it. And now the opportunity is there. So it's in the part of San Diego that we love the most. We want to end up in. Everything is perfect, except it is very expensive. It is double the cost of our current home. And after talking to, our mortgage broker, CPA, all of our financial people, in order to do it, basically we would have to be liquidating all of our assets, and ultimately with the home payments, we would be house poor, meaning that a lot of our income would be towards the home and home maintenance. So we've done a lot of soul searching over this. And ultimately what we decided recently, like a few days ago, is that We really love the house that we live in, and I just don't think that it is financially smart to be in a situation where you're spending so much money on your house. I think it is always better to live below your means. But the reason I'm sharing this is because I had like a major epiphany, and that was, would I really be happier in that house? I don't think I would be much happier in that house than I am in this house. And instead of looking at the next best thing, which I think is human nature to do, to really appreciate what I have. And so now my big thing is I want to take this house and really make it as nice as it can be. And so now I'm really excited to finish decorating and redoing some of the rooms. But I did just want to share all of this because it just really gave me a good life lesson that instead of looking at the things we don't have, to appreciate the things we do have, but also really maximize them and make the best of what you have. All right, what does Ryan think? Should we get the house?
The house. I mean, the responsible thing would be to not buy that house, but it's got a water slide. Responsible water slide. Responsible water slide.
Get a reach it up there.
What are you gonna reach?
And get a reach it tiny up there.
Whoa!
2 hands.
Whoa! You're gonna reach it?
All the way up there?
I'm gonna reach this side to here.
Whoa!
Wow.
Another thing I want to talk about, so Carter turned 2, and originally I had planned on vlogging his birthday party, and then it ended up kind of going south. Things started off well, he had his little friends there, they were playing in the bubbles, but Carter is definitely my child. He did not like having all the attention on him, and he just wanted to kind of be away from everybody. So yeah, it wasn't all bad, but I don't think we will be doing any big parties for him in the near future. Maybe when he's a bit older and he'll actually have memories of it. Oh, you're using your scraper, like mommy. What did we do yesterday, honey?
We watched the boat show.
We watched the bowl show. What game were they playing?
Papa, they kick the ball like that. Kick
Yeah.
the ball. Touchdown.
Touchdown. So Carter's in his happy place. We're picking out trucks. We're doing a Carter's Corner where we're gonna do trucks in the mud and then cleaning them off.
I have shoes on.
You do? Those are pretty cool, huh?
Wait, I like this.
What do you want to do with that?
And you buy it for you. And you buy that for you.
We're gonna get these guys and these construction trucks. One strategy with Target is I bring the stroller because then I'm limited with space and I can only get so much. So we're maxed out.
Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese.
So now we're at Panera having a little lunch. Carter, you know what we're getting? We're getting,
Mac and cheese.
we're not actually getting that. We're getting grilled cheese. Does that sound yummy?
Cooking in the oven.
Yeah, they're cooking it in the oven. Welcome to one morning with a toddler. Let's look at the destruction. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Carter just went down for his nap, so I am going to speed clean this gigantic mess in here. But I did want to share what I'm listening to while I clean. I am listening to such a crazy good book. It's called Bad Blood, and it is a story of a startup company in Silicon Valley, all based on a technology that never worked. They were able to raise $10 billion with a B over this technology that never worked. And it was this huge cover-up, crazy scandal. It's almost like a thriller because I'm so captivated by how they got away with this massive scam.
Every time I look at you, you pull me back into
So here's Bardot. Little update on her is that we have been advised that we can keep her alive with pain management and putting her on a special diet and medications, and it's not seeming like she's in a lot of pain. She's still eating, walking, seems happy and playful, so for now we're just doing our best. Make her comfortable. All right, so I need your guys' design advice. Now that we're probably staying in this house, I want to make it nice, really do it up. So my question is, do you think these windows should all have curtains? And if so, should they be here or all the way up? Because I'm thinking long curtains might look good. However, when I looked into it, they were really expensive because they would have to be custom made. So if you know of a good place to get curtains that aren't crazy expensive, let me know. I mean, I think these ones do not look good at all. Hey guys, so as I'm editing this, I realized I totally forgot to film an outro clip. Thank you so much for watching. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoy my weekly vlogs. Also make sure you are subscribed to my second channel if you want to see more Carter, and I will see you guys on Sunday with a new video.